This is Ranger3 from SICK, a rugged, pocket-sized powerhouse capable of big 3D performance. It's a benchmark for high-speed vision inspection with superior precision. Advancing 3D vision with its revolutionary SICK CMOS sensor chip, including unique ROC technology that makes rapid on-chip calculation possible. The camera is easily integrated into almost any application, supporting several industry standards. The compact and versatile Ranger3, with its lightning speed, sets the standard for 3D measurements. For a wide range of industries. Ranger3 from SICK. Big 3D performance in a small package.